DJI is back with the Air 4, and it is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drones of 2025. This new model is designed to bring a smooth blend of power and simplicity, and it looks ready to push mid-range drones into a whole new space. The design feels cleaner and more refined while still keeping the lightweight foldable frame that makes the Air series so popular. And this time it is paired with longer flight time and a stronger camera system that promises cinematic results. In this video, we will take a deep look at what makes the Air 4 different. We will go through the flying experience, the smart features, the design choices, and the new camera setup. So whether you fly drones just for fun or you create content for an audience, you will get to see what this drone can really do. The Air 4 is not just about small upgrades. It seems like DJI is building something that could change how people look at mid-range drones. Stay with Factic as we break it all down and explore how this drone could become the next big thing. The Air 4 is designed to be the sweet spot for people who want more power than an entry-level drone, but without the complexity and heavy build of pro-level machines like the Mavic 3, and that balance makes it stand out right away. It is aimed at creators, travelers, and hobbyists who want advanced tools in a compact and simple form, and DJI seems to be delivering exactly that. The biggest changes come with a flight intelligence system. DJI is well known for its smart flying features, and the Air 4 is expected to push those even further. It may introduce Active Track 6.0, which allows the drone to follow subjects more smoothly while avoiding obstacles at the same time. Omnidirectional sensors are rumored to give the drone a full shield of awareness, so it can sense obstacles in every direction and avoid crashes, even in tight or busy areas. And for people who love automated flight paths, there are new modes being tested to help the drone capture creative and cinematic shots with very little input. Another exciting feature is the Follow Me Plus mode. This would allow the drone to lock onto a subject and follow it even in difficult environments. So if you are biking through trees or running in a crowded spot, the Air 4 may be able to track you with precision and stability without losing focus. That opens up a lot of possibilities for solo creators who do not always have someone to control the drone for them. Battery life is another area where the Air 4 is set to make a big difference. The previous Air 3 already offered decent flight times, but this model is rumored to reach up to 46 minutes in the sky. That means fewer landings and more time capturing the shots you want. It is not just about extra minutes, though. A stronger high-capacity battery, paired with an upgraded transmission system, means the drone can cover longer distances while keeping a stable feed on your screen. Reports suggest the range may stretch up to 15 kilometers with ultra-low latency, which makes the flying experience smooth and more immersive, especially for fans of first-person view flying. The design stays true to what people love about the airline. Lightweight and foldable with easy portability, but it does not stop there. Leaks suggest the Air 4 will have a sleeker shape with stronger materials to improve durability, and the gimbal system may also be refined to handle shaky conditions better. So even if you are flying in windy weather or pushing the drone at higher speeds, your footage stays smooth and stable. These design choices show that DJI is listening to users who want both toughness and portability, without compromise. Connectivity and ecosystem support are also expected to move forward in this generation. The Air 4 is rumored to work with DJI goggles and the latest RC controllers, giving pilots more options to customize their flying style. And with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, the media transfers are likely to be faster and more reliable, so creators can get their footage onto devices quickly without long waiting times, paired with the DJI Fly app. The Air 4 could feel like the smoothest workflow yet, from takeoff to editing. Now the camera is where many people will focus their attention, and the Air 4 looks ready to impress. The main upgrade is expected to be a new 1-inch CMOS sensor that brings sharper detail and better performance in low-light conditions. That means richer colors, cleaner shadows, and more flexibility for creators who shoot at different times of day. The video capture is rumored to go up to 5.4K at 60 frames per second, which makes motion look smooth and detailed. And for slow motion lovers, the higher frame rate will be a big plus. Some leaks even suggest a dual camera setup. Similar to what we saw on the Mavic 3, this could mean one wide-angle camera for sweeping landscapes and one telephoto for zoomed-in detail. If this turns out true, it would give pilots more creative flexibility right out of the box, without needing separate drones for different shots. Imagine capturing a wide view of a mountain range, and then zooming in on a climber at the peak without moving your position. That kind of versatility makes the Air 4 stand out as a creative tool, taken all together. The DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be a major step forward for mid-range drones. It blends longer flight time with smarter flight systems, stronger design, better connectivity, and a major leap in imaging quality. These upgrades are not small tweaks. They build a picture of a drone that is designed to keep up with serious creators while staying friendly enough for beginners who want to grow into the hobby. It looks like the Air 4 could set a new standard for what people expect from a drone in this range, and it may even blur the lines between mid-range and pro-level machines. The DJI Air 4 is more than just another update in the airline. It feels like a step into the future of flying cameras, because it combines longer flights, smarter systems, and sharper imaging all in one compact body. It shows how far mid-range drones have come, and how close they are to matching the tools once reserved for pro-level machines. This is not just about power, it is also about accessibility. DJI seems to be building a drone that is easy enough for new flyers, and yet strong enough to keep experienced pilots excited. Here at Factic, we will continue to follow the Air 4 closely and see how it performs once it takes to the skies. For now, the early signs point to something very special. If you are looking for a drone that gives you freedom, creativity, and reliability, one package, this model looks like it could be a perfect fit. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe so you never miss our future reviews and guides. At Factic, we love exploring new tech with you and sharing the adventure. Until next time, keep flying, keep creating, and keep your journey alive with Factic.